Hello, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science. Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. For my followers, my 4 followers on Odyssey, welcome back to Dave's Data Analytics channel on Odyssey. Last night, a couple nights ago, we went out and we installed Emacs and Evil Mode on Emacs. Okay, well tonight we're kind of going to the other end of the polar opposite of Ed, which is a little Emacs, which is an editor called Ed. And Ed is a line editor, not a visual editor, meaning you only see one line at a time. But anyway, let's just come up here, install that. Now I need to caution you, don't blink during the install or you'll miss it, okay? Go to System Utilities. Scroll down to you see Ed. Do you use a line-oriented editor? What to say? GNU Ed is a line-oriented text editor. It is used to create, display, modify, and otherwise manipulate text files, both interactively and via shell scripts. A restricted version of Ed, Red, can only edit files in the current directory and cannot execute shell scripts. Interesting. Ed is the standard text editor in the sense that it is the original editor for Unix and thus widely available. Now, I just share one little humorous anecdote about Ed, and that was at some point I came across all the oh, it's already installed. Okay, good. I came across the original Unix System 5 manuals, and under the section on Ed, it began by saying, let's say that your secretary is using Ed to write a menu, or to write a memo. And I thought, your secretary is using Ed to write a memo. Can you imagine writing a long document using Ed? Good grief. Anyway, so we got Ed installed, right? Add-ons. Okay. Let's start Ed. Now, I can say Ed file name right, and nothing will happen, right? Nothing's done. So what you do, you P, which means gives us a prompt, okay? Then a period. If you enter in text, if you enter in text here, okay, period takes you back to the command. All right. P. Now supposedly you can also okay. That probably isn't going to work. In inserts a line below the current line, which there isn't one now. Right. Come over here. Terminal. Wait, there's an awk script there. Okay, now let's do one more thing. You can use a pound means run a shell script, okay? Unexpected characters. I must have an extra character in there someplace. Let's try dash F, because F can mean run script. Unexpected characters. Okay, so now we got the problem is how do we go in and edit the file? So what it's saying is, apparently, it doesn't like the single quotes surrounding it. So you may only need this if you're running from the command line. So let's try this now. Oh, you know what? The thing is this, we don't, for running it as a script, if we're running it as a script, we don't need the aux name. We could of course run this as a script, right? We can put in there and there it works. So what I did, I just wrote a script. Then from inside of ed, I did the pound command and I ran the script. Okay. Okay. And with that, my dear friends, we're going to bring this session to a close.